guys, welcome back to Personalized Spaces. So we already taped the plastic bag into the window. That way, you know, when the water falls, it will kind of come and it will stay out of it, okay? I did this through the glass, the portion that is glass. And I stopped right here because then I started thinking I don't want the tape to go on the paint because it will damage and it will ruin the paint. Especially if it's on the sun, it's gonna melt and it's gonna leave marks. And when I get this repair, I don't wanna have to deal with like buffering or having to like wax it or do things like that. So I'm gonna do like a reverse mechanism of how to tape this so it's not flapping with the air, but yet to be able to hold it against the car without having to damage the paint, okay? So what I do is I get a longer piece and I do it against the plastic bag, okay? So I get a piece, you can do it reverse. You put it against the plastic, okay? Now once you do that, you hang it. You hang a longer piece, okay, of the tape, longer than it should be, like this, and then you cut it. Now, with the tape, you go inside out and you tape this against the tape, okay? Enough to create a pull that you do it against the car. So see, there's no tape in the car, but he pulls it. Now when you go down inside the car, let me show you. Once you go inside the car, then you can tape it to the inner part of the vehicle, which is something that if the tape gets ruined, I'm not gonna mind it, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I pull it really tight, and then right at the end, I leave this little colita, okay? And I always double it or crunch it inside. And then I tape it. Why? Because at the end, when you wanna pull it, you don't wanna, at the end, you don't wanna pull it and you don't wanna start digging and looking into it. But if you have a little colita that you double the tape inside, you can just immediately pull and get it to work. So that's how you guys are able to mark it and close it without having to damage without having to damage the paint of the car on the outside, okay? Thank you guys. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next episode.